Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the only way to sign up for ChatGPT. First, navigate to the official OpenAI website using your web browser, ensuring it is the correct and secure domain. Locate the prominent Sign Up button, usually positioned in the top right corner of the page. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong password. After submitting, a verification link will be sent to your email, which you must click to confirm your account creation and proceed. After verifying your email, you will be guided to set up your user profile. This step involves entering some basic personal information, including your full name and date of birth, which helps personalize your experience. It is crucial to create a strong, unique password for your account, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, you must carefully review and accept OpenAI's terms of service and privacy policy to complete your registration. Once your basic account is established, you will have the opportunity to enhance your experience by upgrading to a paid subscription, often called ChatGPT Plus. This upgrade typically offers several valuable benefits, including consistent access during peak times, significantly faster response speeds, and priority access to new features. The cost is usually around $20 per month, providing a substantial boost to your AI interactions and capabilities. This paid tier ensures you always have the best available service. With your account fully set up, you are ready to begin your first conversation with ChatGPT. Navigate to the main chat interface, which you will find easily accessible after logging in. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and explore any example prompts that are displayed. These can spark ideas for your own interactions. When you are ready, simply type your first question or command into the text input box at the bottom of the screen and press enter to receive an immediate response from the AI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.